what's up? This is Jen. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are new here, you can find me on Instagram at JenuineLover or at JenuineLocs for my business page. Thank you so much for stopping by. All right, I told you guys that I will be uploading videos going forward. This is the first video I'm uploading of a client. Today wasn't my intentions to speak about washing locks, but because I did not get that much footage, I was out of the frame and it's a little blurry, which you'll see later in the video. It was supposed to be a retwist video. However, I think it's more important for us to start off with baby coils and to let you know, in my opinion, and the way I do things here at JenuineLocs, when you should wash your baby locks. And for me, I recommend that my clients come back in for a wash and retwist within 2 weeks, 3 weeks at the most. I like to see everybody back within 2 weeks or 3 weeks at the most. Now there is a misconception that you cannot wash your locks until they have been in for about 2 to 3 months. I have seen in situations where people are getting their locks retwisted, adding product but not washing the hair, barely getting it wet. That is a misconception. Locks do lock from matted and tangled hair, and as you should know, once our hair gets wet, it does tangle and mat as it dries. So the more you wet it, the more your hair will lock. You may see some frizz, but that's always a part of the locking process. Frizz is good. You need the frizz in order for your hair to lock properly. So yeah, I just wanted to drop in and show you guys what I do here and how I clean locks, especially this early on, and so that you can see. Now, this particular client is my best friend. I will be following her journey on this channel so that you could see from the beginning, and you could see that I do stand by. Most of my clients are completely locked within 3 months, and you will get to see that. Now, that's not everybody. That is according to hair texture. But for kinky or coily textured hair, I will have you locked and budding no later than 3 months, even if it's not all over your head, but you will be completely locked in by 6 months. That is my claim, and I'm sticking by it for kinky, coilier hair. Now, here's where it's a little blurry. I do apologize, but like I said, I wanted to show you how I retwist baby coils. This is her first retwist. As you can see, I'm not taking the comb all the way through her coils. There's no reason to disrupt what's already going on at the bottom since it's still there. But yeah, I use very little gel, mostly oil, and Nairobi foam. The gel I use is Talia Wajid's Tight Hole. Nothing new. If you've been following me for a while, you know those are the products I've been using for a while in my own hair. I've tried other products here and there, but these work the best for me. I will cover another product video later on, but right now, that's just to name a few products. I don't use much at all for my hair or my clients either. So like I said, here's it again. Now, I do have clients come to me who just get installed and then they maintenance them at home because they're able to do this process. You don't necessarily have to use a comb. It does get a little bit tighter and you can twist less if you use the comb because the comb is doing the twisting for you. But if you don't want to use a comb, you just use really tight hands and just keep twisting until you get it as tight as you need it and pin it down. I recommend that you go to get them installed by a loctician or someone that can part your hair off, and just be mindful of who you're going to and what products they're using and how much gel they're using. I do like Talia Wajid's gel with a combination of oil and Nairobi foam because they don't stick to the lock. It's mostly water-based. They wash right out with shampoo, and I never see an issue with buildup as long as I'm washing it right and as long as they're not using any cream-based or wax-based products at home in between coming back to see me. But if you're going to maintenance them at home, those are some products that I recommend, and I recommend that you do wash your locks within 2 weeks after getting them installed if you are able to coil them back yourself. If you are not, then please go back to your loctician and get it done properly, or you're just going to slow up the process and your locks won't look as uniform as they grow out. This is to maintain smooth, even locks all the way down with any lumps and bumps and humps and all of that stuff. The more you get your hair maintained, the more uniform your locks will be. And if you cannot do it at home, then please go see your loctician. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I do, what the process is in the beginning after I install coils. Maybe on my next install, I'll try to film that so you guys can see what that looks like. But yeah, I put her under the dryer for about 25 to 30 minutes. The shorter the hair, the less time it needs, the longer, the more time it needs. And that is it. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, you know you can always email me at JenuineLocs@gmail.com. Please check out my new website at JenuineLocs.com. I do have a blog to go along with this post where I go a little bit more into detail and give some more examples on why I think this is the best method when it comes to washing your starter locks. But yeah, thank you so much again for clicking to watch this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to spread love daily because y'all know I will. Bye.